Hello guys, this is me Anne here. Today we are going to learn how to remove blemishes from the skin easily. So just copy our background layer by pressing Ctrl J or Command J. So it's copied. Now let me zoom in to show you these blemishes. The spots, we are going to remove this from her skin, and that will be a easy way. So just let's grab our spot healing brush tool. Now increase the size of the brush by pressing the bracket keys, and increase the size of the brush like the size of the spot to remove, and just click it all over her face where the spots are there. Just go on top of the spots and just click it. Oh yeah, one more thing to say. Yes, as you can see, the upper part there is a content aware button that is there. You have to check the content aware button in order to remove it and still keeping the natural texture of the skin. So do it a bit slowly. I just increase the speed of the video in order to save some time, but you do it as slowly as it's possible. Do it a bit thoroughly. So now the forehead I see most of the work is done. Let me show you before and after of the edit. See, all the blemishes are removed quite easily. As you can see, some parts of her skin is quite different in complexion, so we'll adjust that. So let's select a brush. Now the flow should be 2%. Just hold Alt key and select the color, the lightest color on her skin, and just apply it on her skin. As you can see, before and after, this little details that we change, it affects the skin tone. Don't apply too much. We want to keep the texture of the skin, and just select the skin tone that you like, and just apply it on a skin. Now one thing to keep in mind, that whenever you are applying that brush on any part where the wrinkles are there, don't overdo it, because we want to keep the natural shadow of that wrinkled area, so that the skin texture, we actually want to maintain the skin texture. Just don't overdo it, just keep it natural. So now the head part, so the forehead is done, and it's almost completed. So you can see the before and after of the image. The skin looks quite good right now. Removed all the blemishes and the skin texture is still there. Now I don't like the eye color, so I want to white it a bit by selecting the dodge tool. So yeah, this whitens the eye a bit. So yeah, now it's done. I'm satisfied. As you can see, the before and after of the image. So that's all guys for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon with another video.